Hi Olives, welcome back to the Cobblewood Project by Jute and Olive. As you can see, we are working with a wall stencil by Stencil. We're going to be working on a feature wall. This company has a variety of modern wall stencil patterns. They're easy to use. This is not a sponsored video, but the link to this product is in the description box below. So we're using the modern herringbone pattern. This is also a mud cloth pattern, so it will match with any decor style. For this feature wall, you'll need a stencil, foam brush or roller, tape, a base paint if necessary, and an accent paint. Step 1, apply your base color if necessary and allow to dry for 24 hours. This room is already painted Eider white by Sherwin, so we're going to go ahead and skip that step. Step 2, you can begin stenciling. You will want to align your stencil in the uppermost left corner and begin from there. I recommend having a helper, especially if this is your first time using these stencils. So I have Capri Joelle here helping me to place the tape. Remember to head over to her channel and subscribe. She has a lot of fun content over there. But today she's helping me with this project. We're using 6 pieces of cut tape, 2 for each side, and 1 for the top and 1 for the bottom. The accent color used here is Dark Secret by Behr. So what I'm doing is using my sponge brush to just pat the paint against the stencil. Right now, Capri is going to go ahead and give this a try just to really show how easy and fun this project is. We can go ahead and remove the stencil and we see that beautiful herringbone or mud cloth pattern that is now on the wall. Most people prefer paint to wallpaper and decals, and I know I do. And this project makes easy work of creating that beautiful feature wall that we all want. So I hope you enjoyed this video today. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel, Jute and Olive, if you want to see the completion of the Cobblewood project and for design ideas that make a statement. Love you guys. All the links will be in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.